The Public Rec Pro Pack Plus is a backpack we like to recommend to anyone who needs a clean-looking backpack for work with extra packing room for travel or the gym. This is thanks to its versatile, multi-compartment design that keeps items separate and organized. The pack itself is made with a poly-twill fabric that's water-resistant, and it has a rigid construction that keeps its shape even when empty to give you a professional, put-together look regardless of what you carry that day. The Pro Pack Plus has two major compartments. You have the rear laptop compartment that functions as a mobile office, with enough room for notebooks and binders. There is a 15-inch laptop sleeve and a second sleeve for a tablet. There are also places for pens and smaller items, and a key leash for your keys. Finally, a large mesh pocket for extra organization. The second compartment is the packing compartment located in the front. This compartment is one large open space with a single mesh pocket. This backpack gives you 26.5 liters of packing room in all, with the packing compartment being large enough for multiple days of travel. And it's really easy to use with packing cubes. This compartment is also very deep, so fitting bulky gym gear is no problem. What sets this backpack apart from other work and travel backpacks is the bottom shoe compartment. It's a pretty roomy pocket, and we found that it can fit up to a US size 12 in men's sneakers. One thing to note is that, like many backpacks with a shoe compartment, using this compartment will minimize the room you have in the main packing compartment. Just keep this in mind if you plan on utilizing the shoe compartment. But for work to gym carry or for travel, this is a really good partition to have, as you can fill this bottom compartment with shoes, dirty laundry, or anything else you don't want mixing in with your clean items. There are a few pockets on the outside of the backpack. On the top, you'll find a small fleece-lined pocket for stuff like sunglasses or a phone. And there are water bottle pockets on each side of the pack. My one small gripe with this backpack is that the pockets have no stretch to them, so you really are limited to slim bottles in these pockets. On the back, you have a hidden zippered pocket. This pocket is actually pretty large and extends across the back panel. There's also a little hidden slip pocket on the Public Rec logo badge. Public Rec did a great job at providing generous padding with both the back panel and the shoulder straps. The back panel and shoulder straps are padded with mesh for comfort when the bag gets heavy. And lastly, you also have a luggage trolley sleeve, which will come in handy when traveling. So if you are looking for a reliable work backpack that is also versatile enough for travel or the gym, then the Public Rec Pro Pack Plus is a great solution. Its clean, minimalist design will fit right in at the office, and the multiple pockets and compartments are versatile enough to make this a go-to bag for work and travel.